Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Ultimate Task Tracker Spreadsheet, an advanced yet easy-to-use tool designed to help you manage all your tasks, projects, and deadlines in one place. If you haven't grabbed your copy yet, you can get instant access through the link in the description below, so you can follow along step by step and start managing your tasks. Before we get started, I want to mention that some tabs are protected to keep all formulas safe and functioning correctly. If you try to edit a protected cell, a pop-up will appear. You can check the box and click OK if you really want to make changes, or press Cancel to leave it as is. Keeping these protected areas intact ensures the spreadsheet works smoothly and the automated calculations remain accurate. Now let's move to the Setup tab. In this tab, you can start customizing the tracker to fit your workflow. First, list all your task categories. For example, work, personal, projects, or any other type of tasks you usually manage. These categories will automatically be applied across the spreadsheet, helping you keep everything well organized. Finally, enter the list of persons in charge or team members who are responsible for tasks. This way, whenever you assign a task later, you can easily select the name from a dropdown instead of typing it out manually. Once you've completed this setup, the entire tracker will adapt to your preferences, and all categories and team members will flow automatically into the other tabs. Next, let's head over to the Task Log tab. In this tab, you'll find the main area where all your tasks are logged and tracked. Start by entering the task name, then choose the category from the drop-down you set up earlier in the Setup tab. Next, assign the task to a person from the list of team members you also defined in Setup. You'll then add the due date, which will automatically be used to calculate the number of days left until the deadline. Right beside that, you can set the priority of the task, whether it's high, medium, or low, and update the status to keep track of progress, such as not started, in progress, or completed. There are also two additional fields that make prioritization even clearer: importance and urgency, where you can quickly mark if a task is high or low in both areas. This helps you decide which tasks need your attention first. If necessary, you can also add a short note for extra details, reminders, or instructions. At the very top of this tab, you'll see an automated summary that pulls all the important information together. This summary highlights key stats such as the number of tasks in progress, overdue tasks, and completed tasks. Alongside the summary, there are visual charts that give you an instant overview of workload distribution and progress, making it easier to see where things stand. Now let's take a look at the Task Sort and Filter tab. This tab is designed to help you organize and manage your tasks more efficiently. Every task you've entered in the Task Tracker tab is automatically reflected here. You can sort tasks and filter them to focus on what's most important at any given moment. With these sorting and filtering options, you can quickly find tasks, track progress, and stay on top of deadlines without scrolling through your entire task list. Everything in this tab is fully automated, so any updates you make in the Task Tracker tab, like changing task status or priority, instantly reflect here, keeping your workflow organized and up to date. Moving on to the Daily Planner tab. This tab helps you plan your day efficiently by letting you select tasks from a drop-down menu. You can assign start times, intervals, and time formats, and organize tasks according to priority. The upcoming tasks table is automatically filled, giving you a clear, structured view of what needs to be done throughout the day. With this setup, you can stay focused, manage your time effectively, and ensure nothing important gets missed. In the Monthly Calendar tab, everything has been designed to keep your schedule easy to follow. The first thing you need to do is choose the month you want to view from the drop-down menu. Right next to that, you can also select the week start day, whether you prefer your calendar to begin on Sunday or Monday. Once you've made those selections, the calendar will instantly update and display all your tasks for the chosen month. Each task will appear automatically, pulled directly from your task tracker, so there's no need to re-enter anything manually. Now let's move to the Kanban Board tab. This tab is fully automated, so there's no manual input required from your side. It has been carefully structured into 5 different sections, each one representing a stage of task completion status. This layout allows you to visually track the progress of every task in real time without needing to update anything yourself. Within each section, you'll see the task name, the person in charge, and the number of days left until the due date. The board organizes all of this automatically based on the information you've already entered in the Task Tracker tab, so all you need to do is focus on monitoring progress. Let's check out the Eisenhower Matrix tab. This tab is fully automated, so once again, there's nothing you need to enter manually. All you have to do is choose the month from the dropdown, and instantly, the data for that selected month will be filled in automatically. The tab will organize your tasks into the 4 classic Eisenhower categories to help you prioritize effectively. The tab is divided into 4 sections: Do First, Delegate, Schedule, and Eliminate. Each of these tables displays the task name, due date, days left until the deadline, and the progress toward completion. Also, at the top of the tab, you'll find a filter feature that allows you to display tasks by member, category, priority, or status, so you can focus on exactly what matters most. In the Gantt Chart tab, you can choose tasks from a drop-down menu, and all relevant data will populate automatically from your task entries. The Gantt chart is designed to organize tasks into up to 4 phases, giving you a clear overview of your project workflow. The timeline is automatically generated, spanning up to 365 days, so you can plan and track tasks across an entire year. A color-coded legend is included to make it easy to identify task phases, ensuring you can manage projects efficiently and visually. This tab is also fully duplicable, so you can create separate Gantt charts for multiple projects without any additional setup. Now let's return to the Dashboard tab. This tab is completely automated, pulling in all the information from the task tracker, Kanban Board, Eisenhower Matrix, and the rest of the spreadsheet to give you a global overview of your tasks and overall progress. You don't need to enter anything manually here. Everything is already calculated and displayed for you. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the ultimate task tracker spreadsheet. I hope this tutorial has shown you just how easy it can be to organize tasks, track progress, prioritize effectively, and stay on top of your workload. If you have any questions, need extra guidance, or want tips on using the spreadsheet more effectively, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.